Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how you can change language in Google Sheet without any download application or add-ons. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I'm requesting you at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet. I have just opened my Google Sheet here. So now let's start with the process. Now we need to go in file. Under the file you can see the option. Just come down and we need to click on this setting icon. Just click on it, and here you can see the option called setting for this spreadsheet, and location is United States, and the effect formatting details such a function data. And okay, so we have location as United States, and all the details as a function dates and currency will be show as a United States. So here you can change location if you want, but if you want to change only language, then you need to just come down here. You can see the display language. So this is language for your display, like tools, format, toolbar language and all. Okay, so you go to click on this highlight language, and it will be take you the main language option. Here you are, it will be take you the my Google account language. Okay, so you for change Google Sheet language, you need to change your my Google account language, and it will be applicable to your Google services. Okay, so here this is my current language. Just go to this pencil icon, and here you need to search your language. Just select that language and save it. After save, you need to just come here in Google Sheet, click the save settings, and after you click save the settings, you need to just refresh your Google Sheet, Excel sheet. Then it will be the language will be changed automatically. Okay, so I did not save because I don't want to change my language. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.